Good morning, everyone. We have operated 30-year male. Patient was having complaint of vision problem, bilateral hemianopia. So I am showing anatomy radiologically and microscopically. First, I would like to show the scan. This is the cellular supracellular meningioma. This is causing compression over optic nerve both sides. So patient was having vision problem. So this is the right side craniotomy. I would like to show the anatomy. This is the right side optic nerve. This is left side optic nerve. Right side internal carotid artery this side. This is opposite side internal carotid artery. This is the tumor bed. So we have removed the tumor. We have cauterized the base of the tumor. And we have removed the tumor from main chunk was here. So the tumor was compressing the both optic nerve. So we have removed compression and hope for rest. શું નામ છે તમારું?
મારું નામ સોલંકી વિક્રમ છે.
આ કેટલી આંગળી છે?
એક
આ કેટલી છે?
બે
આ કેટલી છે?
બે
આ બાજુ જુઓ,
એક
આ બાજુ જુઓ. ઓકે. ઓપરેશન પછી આંખમાં જોવામાં સુધારો થઈ ગયો?
હા
ઓકે.